Hi! Oh, hi. Bye.
Package is here. Come on. Package is here.
Yay.
Look. But it has a hole in it.
Like a really big hole.
Like, do you see that?
What's double bags?
Oh, these are so cute.
Those are so cute.
How was there no address on it? And it has other writing. Well, I mean,
That's weird.
this one's probably the heaviest out of all these. Okay, should I open day 1 first?
Sure. I mean, let's see what it has in it. Here, we'll just move these to the side. Whoa,
The slimes. Wow, that's full.
It's
Oh my
not
gosh.
full, guys. I just checked to see if it was actually full. It's like not even halfway. This one's full though. That's a good thing.
Oh, the note. Okay.
Oh, the note. And this butter slime's really good. Let's check out the note.
Okay. 16-ounce butter yellow, 2-ounce butter pink, 3-ounce fluffy blue. $15 in total. Not too bad for these. And which one did this say it was? Cause oh wow, okay. Said butter.
Pink butter. Do you hear that, guys? And look at her feet. Ew, can I touch it? Ew, guys, that's like really watery and disgusting.
Okay, I'll put that one up. We'll play with them after.
Yeah,
What about this? Is
fluffy.
yeah, fluffy. Oh no, that's buttery.
Butter. And I think this one was fluffy. She
I
might have just wrote it wrong.
Yeah, that's okay. At least we got fluffy.
At
and
least
butter.
we got fluffy and butter.
And this is hopefully a butter slime. And
Yeah.
not a oh, it definitely is.
That looks.
Oh, this one's pretty good.
That looks so good.
How much is it? $10. That's not too bad for
$10,
this. But it's not 16 ounces.
This is a good butter slime. Wow.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's
Okay,
great.
we're gonna get to the next package.
So
So we are going to open this one.
Day 2.
Yeah, I don't know why it says that.
She probably just reuses back packages. Oh.
Check the note after. Check the note after.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Extras. I'll get to.
Just.
So we got a lot of erasers. These are all
pretty good.
erasers. Actually pretty good for school. Okay, let's get this slime out. It's still stuck in here. Ooh. So let's read the notes before we get this one out. So it says 16-ounce cloud mint green. So I guess this is cloud. And then it says extras, I think, with squiggly. And it says mint cloud is $10 and extras are $5.
$5.
Extras aren't supposed to be any money. That's all $5. Extras are not supposed to have money.
We'll
Okay.
text her after.
Our total is $15. Yeah, we'll text her after and.
Here, I'll have it for you.
Okay, I'm scared to open this because I don't.
What
Ew.
the heck is that?
It's like the toilet paper slime. Remember the Starburst slime or whatever? It feels exactly like this.
No thanks. I don't like it.
It's toilet paper. Ew, guys, this is just disgusting. Comment down below if you've ever made toilet paper slime, because this is what it is. It's not cloud at all. That's disgusting.
Okay, put it back.
Yeah,
Let's
and it's
get
a little
to the next
sticky.
package.
I don't know. Moved on to package 3.
Yep, package 3. It says Sarah Strickland. Don't know why.
And that's
Okay.
actually Sarah's name, so, yeah. Ugh.
Maybe she accidentally put some in there.
Yeah.
That happens to me all the time. Nope. Perfect, they're slimes.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is an extra. Hopefully it's not $5.
Yeah.
That's okay, it's just some beads. I think I see something else there.
Oh. What is this?
That's disgusting. Okay, well, let's get to the slimes. Disgusting.
We might want to move this so we don't get any beads in this.
They're not gonna get in the slime. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, 2-ounce cloud, yellow. 2-ounce jiggly blue. 3-ounce screaming prup. Prup, $5. Yellow, $5. And blue, blind. Okay, blue, $5.
$5. So
This
you got
is
all the slimes?
not jiggly at all.
Ew, that feels really weird.
Okay.
all
Well,
sticky too.
we'll put that.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll try this one. This one is supposed to be
A cloud.
A cloud. It looks like cloud right now.
Yeah, it does. I don't know.
Now it doesn't look like one. It doesn't feel like one. Maybe there's just a little bit of that cloud stuff, and it kicks in a second.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's fluff it up. It's a butter slime.
Are you serious, guys?
Huh.
Do you think either of these slimes could be cloud slime? I mean, I don't know.
I mean, it says
I don't
cloud,
think this one's cloud slime.
It says cloud
or
yellow.
this one.
But would be cute. These would be cute in this one. Might add some of those in for free. Okay, this one, whoa, has a bubble.
I don't know, pop it.
It's screaming purple. I'm guessing it's for like Halloween or something.
Yeah. Because Halloween's coming up, actually.
What is this?
Ew, that's disgusting.
I mean, it looks... It smells
smell it.
disgusting.
Oh, guys,
Well,
it smells like mold or something.
Let's poke it.
I think it has good pokes.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's put these up real quick. Yeah, so we have this one.
No.
It's a butter slime. Well, at least it's a sticky one, so it's easy to put things in.
And it's red, and it's actually super cool. Well,
It's
I
cute.
think that's an extra, so that would be good.
Yeah, it
And
doesn't say it's on there.
And it doesn't say we have to pay for it, so that's good.
Yeah, at least we got a real extra this time. Oh, I'm gonna put some of these in here.
Yeah, that'd be cute.
They have some green on them, but that's okay. I just don't.
I wonder where the green came from.
Yeah, at least it's green though. Green's beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's get these. At least I get to put hair. At least I get to put some free,
Beads in it.
beads in it. Perfect. Ooh, some of them are flying out.
And it's a little bit sticky, so it's perfect.
This might look adorable, actually. It's like a birthday cake! Okay, I'm actually kind of glad I got this butter slime because it's like perfect.
Hey, and it's like for her birthday. If you don't know, Sarah's birthday is actually on the 11th, so it's super close.
Yeah, like 4 days?
4 days.
Yeah, I think so.
Because it's this...
Or depends whenever y'all are watching.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get to some, what's it called?
ASMR?
Yeah, ASMR. OMG. Okay, that's all the slimes we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slimes, that's good. Okay, let's do some ASMR.
So, let's open this one that I chose. And actually, all the slimes kind of looked pastel-y, kind of.
Yeah, on
together.
camera they do.
And in real
It's very beautiful.
yeah. Don't want to get it dirty.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Just remember, it's butter slime, so you can spread it.
It doesn't really spread that good.
Ew.
It's kind of bad now. Well, at least the bubbles are kind of good and it kind of stretches well. Let me see if I can make
Let's
a
go
slime.
to the next
This one
one.
has bubbles again.
Milky.
Mm-hmm. Ew. I don't want to put that in the slime. Oh, that's good.
It's so pretty.
I am. Super warm too. Disgusting one. You can't even like.
No ASMR for that.
It's so good for a small slime. It's so miniature and adorable. I don't really want to do ASMR with this because I don't think it will work, but we're like, yeah, no, it's a good one.
It's a little sticky.
Yeah, but it's good.
Guys, I hope you liked our video and the skit of this disgusting thing.
Yeah.
The total for this stuff was like $45 or something. I don't know.
And if you know where those beads came from, you know how we said that they were like dyed green kind of. Guess what video they were from? Because Sarah made a video that was from that. So yeah.
Bye, guys.